Hi my dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today intermediate chemistry model paper, two model papers I'm uploading present. Okay, these model papers నుంచి మనకి ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి 50% గ్యారంటీ వస్తాయి. ఓకే, ఈ టూ మోడల్ పేపర్స్ పక్కా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఈజీలీ 50% ఆఫ్ బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్. ఓకే, అంటే మనకి 60 మార్క్స్ కదా కెమిస్ట్రీ, దాంట్లో 30 మార్క్స్ మనకి ఇందులో కంపల్సరీ వస్తాయి. ఓకే, సరే అవేంటో చూద్దాం. ఎస్, మోడల్ పేపర్ సెషన్ ఏ, స్టేట్ డాల్టన్స్ లా ఆఫ్ పార్షియల్ ప్రెజర్స్. The empirical formula of compound is CH2O. Its molecular weight is 90. Calculate molecular formula of compound. What is homogeneous equilibrium? Write two homogeneous reactions. Ionization enthalpy IE1 of O is less than N, less than half N. Explain. What happens when magnesium metal is burned in air? Which of the two ions, Ca calcium 2 plus or zinc 2 plus, is more stable? Why? Lithium salts are mostly hydrated. Why? How does graphite function is lubricant? What is allotropy? Give the crystalline allotropes of carbon. Right? Write the IUPAC IUPAC name of the following compounds. Okay. This is 10 questions, 2 marks. Right? Okay. Next session B. 6 for the 24 marks. Yes, next give the important postulates of kinetic molecular theory of gases. State and explain Hess law of constant heat consumption. What? Constant heat summation with example. Define a Le-Chatelier principle and mention the conditions for the preparation of ammonia by Haber's process. Next, explain the terms hard water and soft water. How is hardness of water removed by Kalgan method? Explain position isomerism, functional group isomerism with one example. Explain the difference between emission and absorption spectra. A carbon compound contains 12.8% carbon, 2.1% hydrogen, 85.1% bromine. The molecular weight of compound is 187.9. Calculate the molecular formula. Derive ideal gas equation. Okay, next one. Here total how 6 questions, right? You should write. Yeah, next balance the equation. Next, explain the difference in properties of diamond and graphite on the basis of their structure. What are electron deficient compounds? Is BCl3 an electron deficient species? What is conjugate acid base pair? Explain with an example. Okay, these are 4 mark questions. Next session see 8 mark questions. Okay, here 4 questions, you should write here 2 questions. Okay, choice is there, 2 questions. Okay, what are postulates of Bohr models? Bohr's model of hydrogen atom. Discuss the importance of మన చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి వస్తూనే ఉంది ఇది బోర్స్ అయితే. ఓకే, నా చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి. నెక్స్ట్ IE1 and IE2. Why IE2 is greater than IE1? That. Next, what is hybridization? Next, sp2 sp3 hybridization with each one an example. Next, the last one, how do we get benzene from acetylene? Give the corresponding equation. Explain the halogenation, alkylation, acylation, nitration, and sulfonation of benzene. Okay, it's the most important questions in chemistry. 8 more questions. Okay, yeah, here choices there, 2 questions should write. Okay, next paper, next model paper. Yes, let's go next model paper. Yes, next model paper, junior model paper, junior intern chemistry. Okay, session A. How many number of moles of glucose present in 540 grams of glucose? Calculate the mass percent of different elements present in sodium sulfate. How many significant figures are present in the following? Okay, ABCD is given. Okay, each one of mark like. Next, state Boyle's law. Why the gas constant R is called universal gas constant? What is octet rule? Define dipole moment. IE of oxygen is less than nitrogen. Explain. Write the outer shell electronic configuration of inner transition elements. Write the difference between orbit and orbital. Okay, these are 10 questions compulsory. It will come 3 questions or 4 questions. Okay, next session B. Write the postulates of kinetic theory of gases. State Graham's law and Dalton's law of partial pressures. Explain photoelectric effect. Next, write the characteristic properties of transition elements. Next, define molarity. Calculate the moles of NaOH in the solution prepared by dissolving 4 grams of NaOH, sodium hydroxide, into 50 ml of water. Balance the equation. Okay, basic ion electronic method. Okay, and balancing equation. Yes, next, what is hydrogen bond? Write about different types of hydrogen bonds. Explain the hybridization involves in SF6 molecule. Okay, 6 for the 24 marks in session B. Now session C, 280, 16 marks. Okay, here there are 4 questions given, but he actually question paper is 3 questions only, 19, 20, 21. Okay, uh, yes, here 2 questions you should write. As example, they are giving here there in the previous paper. Write an essay, SPDF blocks, give an amount of VSEPR theory and its applications. 21. What are postulates of Bohr's model of H atom? Write the difference between emission and absorption spectrum. Okay, these are questions, important questions in model papers government released. Okay, yeah, you should prepare these 2 questions, then you will get a compulsory 50% marks. Okay, bye, all the best. Please send your share also these videos, then they will also good marks. Okay, all the best. Okay, bye.